Hello everyone, this is Vandana Kulshrestha from my channel English Classroom Tutor. If you haven't subscribed yet, so subscribe, share and like my video and my channel. Guys, today I am going to deal with the topic that is present perfect continuous, or we can say present progressive continuous. This is the last test of the present. Okay. So now, what is this? What type of tense is this? Perfect continuous. In perfect continuous tense, we talk about the time, duration, right? Work is going on continuously because continuous is there, but as well as time is given also there. What time continuing your task or work, कि कितने टाइम तक आपका काम चला या चल रहा है, ठीक है, या when you started your work, या कब आपने आपका काम स्टार्ट किया. And for this, in this tense, we use since and for. Alright? So to showing the time or before the time, we use since for. तो टाइम के लिए हम since for का यूज करते हैं. Now see, many of you are having confusion about the using of since or for. Okay, where we use since and where we use for. And for this, if you want to clear your confusions, you can see my last video. I have described in detail. Okay, and you can find the link in description box also. So now let's start with this topic, present perfect continuous. So see, as I have said कि when we do any work, जब हम कोई भी काम करते हैं तो उसका ड्यूरेशन और टाइम भी जब दिया गया होता है तो this is called present perfect continuous, and for this we use since and for. तो since is used for the point of time, particular टाइम के लिए टाइम असाइन किया गया है, लाइक डेज ऑफ वीक, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, मंथ्स नेम, जनवरी, फरवरी, टाइम बाय क्लॉक, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, if year is given there, 2020, 1998, etc. For the duration, जो हमारे हिंदी में पहरों के जो नेम होते हैं, मॉर्निंग, इवनिंग, आफ्टरनून, राइट, इनके लिए भी हम since का यूज करते हैं. आफ्टरनून, tomorrow, yesterday. For this we use since. Means since is used for the starting time of your task. कोई भी काम कब start हो रहा है, particular time, तो from there we use since. And now comes to the for. For is a preposition, also के लिए, के मीन में हम यूज करते हैं, but here we using से, क्योंकि हमारा हिंदी आइडेंटिफिकेशन क्या है, से रहा है, से रही है, से रहे हैं. So now for is used for when time is given in numbers. Numbers means 2 years, 4 months, 10 minutes, 4 weeks, 5 years. For this we use for. Alright, I have been working here for 2 years, and I have been working here since 1997. So this is the difference. So in the second sentence, starting point is given. ठीक है, तो उसमें 97 से, यानी कि वहां पे एक ये चीज दी गई है कि किस सन में हमने वर्क स्टार्ट किया था, स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, और 3 साल से कर रही है तो इट मीन्स एक ड्यूरेशन दी है. तो फॉर इज यूज्ड फॉर द ड्यूरेशन, मीन्स पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, समय अवधि के लिए हम for का यूज करते हैं. Now see, I have written structures over here. You know very well what are these. These are the structure or sentence pattern of the present perfect continuous. So they go like this. subject has have, we are having two helping verb here, has and have. So you know very well where we use has with the third person means singular subject, and have is used for plural subject or first or second person. Verb plus ing because continuous is there. If continuous in any tense, it means you can add ing. आप आंख बंद करके ing का यूज कर सकते हैं to verb. Then object, then since or for. This is optional, right? At a time हम एक ही यूज करेंगे या तो since या फिर for. And then time. So always remember we use since for before the time. So this is the affirmative structure, and I have written example is here also. So you can just match this. आतंकवादी कई वर्षों से हिंसा फैला रहे हैं. So this is a affirmative sentence. तो start करते हैं. Now we are going to translate this according to this pattern. What comes first? Subject. तो subject is आतंकवादी. तो terrorist. Terrorists. Now has or have? Have. What next? Been. Verb. What is verb? फैलाना. Spread. S-P-R-E-A D-I-N-G. I-N-G. We add I-N-G. So terrorists have been spreading. Now what? What object? Hinsa. Spreading violence. Now what time is given here? कई वर्षों से. तो special time is not assigned here. Starting point दे दिया कई वर्षों से. तो for this we use for. Spreading violence for कई वर्षों से. तो many years. Now we can use here proper कोई नंबर भी दे सकते थे. 5 वर्षों से हिंसा फैला रहे हैं, 10 वर्षों से हिंसा फैला रहे हैं, for 10 years, for, but I am using here कई वर्षों से. Next is negative sentence. Subject has a not, been, verb ing, object, since for, and then time. You can see here in negative sentence we use not. So not को we can another way we can also do, we can merge not with the helping verb also. So subject hasn't, haven't, been, verbing. ठीक है, आप किसी भी मेथड से कर सकते हैं, बोथ आप करें. सो एग्जांपल इज हियर फॉर दैट. सभी नेता 7 महीने से विदेशी दौरों पर नहीं जा रहे हैं. तो फर्स्ट कम्स सब्जेक्ट. तो सभी नेता, तो ये हमारा पूरा सब्जेक्ट है. तो ऑल द लीडर्स. हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैज और have because plural subject we are having. So all the leaders not have been have not been. Verb jana going. All the leaders have not been going where? विदेशी दौरों पर. तो on foreign tour. Now what time is given? 7 महीने, 7 months. तो for 7 months. Space not, so I am written here 7 months. So all the leaders have not been going on foreign tour for 7 months. Now next is interrogative. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative, you know very well, we have two types of question. The first is helping verb, so has a subject, been, verb ing, object, since for plus time. अब इसमें आप देखिए इसका एग्जाम्पल आई हैव रिटन हियर. क्या से शुरू हो रहा है? क्या वे जुलाई से कठिन परिश्रम कर रहे हैं? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वे सब्जेक्ट है, तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब हम क्या यूज करेंगे इसके लिए? वी हैव टू सी द सब्जेक्ट. सो सब्जेक्ट इज वे मींस दे. तो विद दे वी यूज हैव. तो to start with helping verb, that is have. Then subject, have they been. अब क्या है यहाँ पर हमारा वर्ब क्या है, कठिन हार्ड वर्ब. तो why have they been working hard. Now what time is given, जुलाई से, मीन्स यहाँ पर्टिकुलर स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट दिया हुआ है वर्क करने का, पर्टिकुलर टाइम असाइड है, पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इज हियर, तो वी यूज सिंस फॉर दैट. तो हैव दे बीन वर्किंग हार्ड सिंस जुलाई. गुड क्वेश्चन मार्क. सेकंड इज कुम्हार 5 बजे से बर्तन क्यों बना रहा है. क्यों, in the mid of the sentence question word is there, so we have to start, when we translate it, so we have to start with this. So kyun means why. Now kumar is only one person here, so has, and kumar को हम क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में, you can potter or pot maker, both are correct. So why has pot maker, why has pot maker, subject आ गया, and then been, what is he doing, making, why has pot maker been making. अब क्या बना रहा है, pots, ऑब्जेक्ट, एंड टाइम 5 बजे से, टाइम बाय क्लॉक, स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट इज गिवन हियर, पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, सो वी यूज सिंस फॉर दैट. सिंस 5 o'clock. Why has pot maker or potter been making pots since 5 o'clock? So this is the interrogative. Now one thing is left, that is interrogative. Question तो put up किया जाता है, as well as work is not going there. So we can take one more example. How structure is same, but only little bit change is here. कि we have to add not here. So we can add not with helping verb also, and we can use after the subject. So one example I am taking there. For example यही वाला लेते हैं, have they been working. तो अगर इसको हमने इसमें बताया, कैसे बताएंगे, haven't, then they been working hard since July. राइट. और इसको हम दूसरे पैटर्न से भी कैसे बना सकते हैं, have they not been working hard since July. We can also make like this कि have they, after subject we use not. Always remember कि interrogative we use not after the subject. Okay, ऐसे ही इसको भी इसमें कन्वर्ट करके देखते हैं. तो why has pot maker not been making pots since 5 o'clock. और इस मेथड को फॉलो करें तो why hasn't pot maker been making pots since 5 o'clock. So guys, this is the present perfect continuous. I hope you all understood very well. So watch this video. Okay, till then, goodbye.